Understanding workshop attendance in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very specific but important phrase in the English language: workshop attendance. Whether you're learning English for work, school, or personal improvement, knowing how to use this phrase properly can really make a difference. So, let's get started and unpack everything there is to know about workshop attendance. When we break down the phrase, workshop attendance, we're looking at two key words: workshop and attendance. A workshop is a type of interactive meeting or a session often focused on a particular topic or skill, where participants are engaged in discussion or activities. Attendance, on the other hand, refers to the act of being present at an event. So, workshop attendance combines these concepts to describe the action of being present and participating in a workshop. Workshop attendance is crucial for several reasons. First, it signifies engagement and interest in the subject being discussed or taught. By attending workshops, individuals show a willingness to learn and improve. Furthermore, workshop attendance often plays a vital role in skill development, as these sessions are designed to provide practical, hands-on experience. For professionals and students alike, attending workshops can also contribute to networking opportunities, connecting with others who share similar interests or career goals. Let's look at how to use workshop attendance in sentences to better grasp its application. The workshop attendance exceeded our expectations, with over 100 participants joining the session. Improving workshop attendance is one of our key objectives for the next quarter. Participants will receive certificates based on their workshop attendance and participation. These examples show that the phrase can be used to discuss quantitative aspects: how many attended, goals, improving attendance, and outcomes, receiving certificates, related to workshops. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, workshop attendance. Remember, attending workshops can open doors to new knowledge, skills, and connections. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of workshop attendance and how to use the phrase confidently in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content soon. Happy learning!